Hey, and welcome back. It's Niels here from GMC Mini Truck. Today I'm going for a little cruise because I'm going for the annual checkup, aka APK, as in algemene periodieke keuring. That's some Dutch for you right here. So as I said just now, that's something that's mandatory for all motor vehicles in the Netherlands. It has to be done yearly. It's a check. They do a mechanical and functional check on the vehicle. So last year that was the first time with the safe doors. It semi-passed. Actually, it failed the first time, as you could have seen in the previous video. Maybe there's a link up here. Because there was something with the rear brakes. You can also see another video, maybe here, where I replaced the axle seal because that was causing an oil leak into the drum. Of course, that means no braking. So today I'm going for the APK 2021. So we'll just see what happens and let's go. Unfortunately, it's an APK fail, and it's the same issue as last year. It's the right rear brake, yeah, that's due to the leak I had in the drive shaft, and yeah, it's unfortunate. So what I'm going to do now is order new brake shoes, I don't know why this guy is not driving faster. It's 60. He's driving 45. He's probably having a leisure drive. Okay, he's making a right turn now. Anywho, so what I'm going to do is order new brake shoes and hopefully not a drum. I can just clear that out. Because I think that the brake shoes are actually just oil soaked and they're just not working anymore. So that's going to be the permanent fix. I'm going to put it in order, then replace that in the coming weeks, and then mid-July I can go for the next appointment. And actually got a really good tip from the technician. He said if you wait after 1st of July, then you will get 2 years of APK. Because then my truck will be 30 years old, and that's a Dutch thing, that if a vehicle apparently is older than 30 years, your APK interval goes from 1 year to 2 years. So I will definitely make use of that, because that will mean that I will not have to do an APK in 2022. Well, that's my little rant for now. I all wish you a pleasant day. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment if you feel like doing so. And then I will see you on the next one. Take care, bye bye, and toodaloo.